Hi students, MCQ number 29. In the indicator diagram given below, net amount of work done will be. So what is the net amount of work done? Whether it is positive or negative or 0 or infinity, we have to find out. These are very simple and easy questions just by the mere look itself. Now look at the two circular areas. In the indicator diagram, that is PV diagram, the area inside the curve must be equal to the work done. So there are two closed curves 1 and 2, which is having the larger area is 2. Understand that? So the larger area is 2 and the smaller area is 1. So here the work done is W1 I will take, and here the work done is W2. Now first W1 is it is negative. It is negative because you see the direction of flow. It is anti-clockwise. So this is anti-clockwise. You must keep it in mind that if it is anti-clockwise means the net work done is negative. Next, what is the W2 is clockwise. So it must be positive since the direction of flow is clockwise. Moreover, W2 is greater than W1. Area of the larger circle is greater than the area of the smaller circle. Therefore, W2 should be greater than W1. Therefore, the net work done is equal to W2 minus W1, and this must be what? Positive. Okay, this must be definitely positive because W2 is greater than W1. Therefore, which is the correct option is A. So option A is the correct answer. Now how much time is required to answer such questions in NEET? Just 1 second only. Understand? Just the reading time. Okay, the reading time only. So answering time is only 1 second. Just by look at the direction of flow of the graph. Understand? So you must have understood well. Fine.